Hi friends, Mr. DeJordy here with Ways to Add with Mrs. DeJordy. And today's way to add that we are going to work on is the strategy called using an open or an empty number line. And this little hashtag right here means number as well. So we're going to use an open or empty number line to solve. So here we have a vertical representation of two numbers, and we have a horizontal representation of two numbers. So I am going to use an open number line to solve this problem. So an open number line, I'm going to start with making my number line. And then I am going to I like to put the larger of the two numbers on the line because I think it's easier for me to be doing my jumps, to have to do less jumps. So I'm going to put my 193 here. So this is like a number line that starts at 193. And I am going to add 56 to it. Well, adding 56 to 193 in my head mentally is not an easy thing to do. So what I am going to do is I am going to use jumps on a number line, and I am going to do them by separating my tens and my ones and my hundreds to make it easier. So to make myself land on friendly numbers along the way. So the first thing that I am going to do is I am going to, in 56, I have 5 tens and 6 ones. So I'm going to say, I'm going to take some of my tens, I'm going to add some of my tens. So I'm going to add a 10, so 193. It's really important that you put this up here so that you know what you're doing, and then you put your landing spot. 193 plus 10 equals 203. Then I'm going to add another 10 plus 10. Because remember, ultimately I need to add 56. So right now, so far, I've added 10, and now I'm adding another 10. So 203 plus 10 is 213. Now, I think I'm going to try to go a little, I can do a little quicker with this. If I choose to, I could still keep adding all of my tens separately, but I think that I'm going to combine them and add all my tens. So I have, I already added 2 tens, so I have 3 more tens to add. So I'm going to just do a bigger jump. I'm going to say that this is a plus 30, and I'm going to add that 30 to the 213. Well, my ones don't change. They stay the same. My tens, 1 10 and 3 tens are 4 tens. So now I have 4 tens and 2 ones. So now I've added 50. Now I need to add in my 6 ones. When I look at this, it's not that difficult for me to add them in as a whole group. So I could add all 6 of them. I think I'm going to do that. So plus 6. And 243 plus 6, that's 6 ones, plus 3 ones, that's 9 ones. So the ones are changing, and 40 stays the same, and the 200 stays the same. And now I'm thinking that I have found my sum. That 193 plus 56 equals 249. And I can easily check my work. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put it here, both representations. And then I'm going to show you how I would check my work. And this is how I can check it. My intention was to add 193 to 56. So I had 193 that I started with. And so I'm going to see, did I add 56? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to look at all of these. This is the important reason why we put these up here. And I'm going to put them together. These jumps should equal the 56. Let's see if it does. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 30 is 52. 50 plus 6 is 56. Therefore, I now can conclude that yes, this is the sum of 193 plus 56, using an open or empty number line strategy.